Cairo Travel Guide, Things to See and Do in Cairo. Embark on an unforgettable journey through Cairo, the captivating capital of Egypt. Discover iconic landmarks, immerse yourself in rich history, and explore hidden gems that showcase the city's vibrant culture. From ancient wonders to bustling markets, Cairo offers an enchanting experience like no other. Let's dive in. Number 10. Cairo Opera House. The Cairo Opera House, an architectural marvel merging the best of Eastern and Western influences, stands tall as one of the most visually stunning music halls in the world. This grand masterpiece transcends cultural boundaries, showcasing the harmonious fusion of artistic traditions. Step into its magnificent embrace and be transported to a realm where melodies come alive. The Cairo Symphony Orchestra and the esteemed National Arab Music Ensemble grace its hallowed halls, captivating audiences with their enchanting performances. A sanctuary of musical brilliance amidst the bustling city, the Opera House offers respite and inspiration. Number 9. Coptic Museum. Coptic Museum, a captivating testament to Egypt's Coptic heritage, awaits those who seek a glimpse into a bygone era. Nestled within its walls lies a treasure trove of mosaics, manuscripts, and sacred artifacts that illuminate the rich tapestry of Coptic history. As you venture through its hallowed halls, you'll be transported to a realm where time stands still, where the intricate artistry and profound symbolism of Coptic Christian culture come to life. With each step, you'll bear witness to the legacy of a resilient community, their stories etched into the very fabric of the museum's collection. From the vibrant colors of ancient mosaics to the delicate script of centuries-old manuscripts, every piece unravels a narrative that transcends time. Number 8. El Alamein. Described as a pivotal turning point in the annals of World War II, El Alamein stands as an immortal symbol of Allied triumph. Here, amidst the vast Egyptian desert, history was etched in blood, sweat, and unyielding determination. This hallowed ground witnessed the valorous deeds that laid the foundation for the ultimate defeat of the German forces in North Africa. Echoes of the past resound as you tread upon the battlefields where heroes once clashed, forging a path to victory. Immerse yourself in the spirit of remembrance as you explore the historic sites, from the hallowed Commonwealth Cemetery to the immersive El Alamein War Museum. Number 7. White Desert. A bizarre yet beautiful natural wonder, the White Desert is a testament to Mother Nature's limitless creativity. Located in the Farafra region, this mesmerizing landscape resembles a surreal snow globe crafted by her artistic hand. Adorned with stunning rock formations and captivating chasms, it invites exploration by camel or jeep. Amidst the Black Desert, White Desert, Bahari Oasis, and Farafra Depression, Egypt unveils unexpected treasures that defy expectations. These hidden gems beckon intrepid travelers seeking an off-the-beaten-path experience in Cairo. Immerse yourself in their enchanting allure, where the ordinary transforms into the extraordinary. Let the White Desert's ethereal beauty ignite your sense of wonder and leave an indelible mark on your journey through Egypt's remarkable landscapes. Number 6. Luxor. Beautiful and historic Luxor, once the ancient capital of Thebes, rises majestically on the banks of the Nile in southern Egypt. This captivating city boasts an abundance of temples and shrines that whisper tales of a glorious past. Luxor Temple, renowned for its opulence, and the awe-inspiring Karnak Temple stand as testaments to the grandeur of ancient Egypt. Recognized as a UNESCO World Heritage Site, Luxor transports visitors back in time, revealing the rich tapestry of Egyptian history. For an unparalleled experience, take to the skies on a magical hot air balloon ride, granting breathtaking views of the city and the majestic Nile. Luxor is a gateway to a world of wonder, where the legacy of the pharaohs and the charm of the Nile converge to create an unforgettable journey through time. Number 5. Pyramid of Djoser. Found in the Saqqara necropolis, the Pyramid of Djoser reigns as the centerpiece of a colossal complex, boasting an astonishing claim as the oldest stone structure in all of Egypt. Its architectural marvel, crafted by the genius Imhotep, takes the form of a mastaba tomb, an ancient flat-roofed edifice constructed with bricks. Ascending its 6 steps, one enters an underground chamber where funerary objects lay, intended for the use of the deceased. This historic treasure unravels captivating tales of ancient Egypt, inviting you to delve into a world of pharaohs and mysteries. Standing in awe before the Pyramid of Djoser, you are transported across the vast expanse of time, witnessing the enduring power and ingenuity of the human spirit. Number 4. Egyptian Museum. An irresistible allure for history enthusiasts and archaeology aficionados, this downtown Cairo gem stands proudly alongside the majestic Nile. The Egyptian Museum, a treasure trove of unparalleled magnitude, houses the world's largest and most comprehensive collection of pharaonic history. Immerse yourself in the wonders of ancient Egypt as you explore over 120,000 artifacts from various captivating eras. Nestled within the walls of the oldest archaeological museum in the Middle East, this cultural haven unveils a multitude of archaeological marvels. From the dazzling treasures of Tanis to the majestic statues honoring the legendary kings Khufu, Khafre, and Menkaure, every corner reveals a glimpse into the grandeur of an extraordinary civilization. Number 3. Great Sphinx of Giza. Within walking distance of the infamous pyramids, the 4,500-year-old Sphinx of Giza emerges as an awe-inspiring ancient wonder, destined for postcards and countless travel selfies. This enigmatic masterpiece stands tall, captivating hearts and minds with its enigmatic presence. As Egypt's most iconic statue, the Sphinx has fascinated generations with its mysterious allure. Explore beyond the conventional tours and embark on an immersive journey that transcends expectations. Let the Sphinx's timeless gaze guide you as you stroll through history, capturing the essence of this majestic sight. Experience the thrill of a camel ride, immerse yourself in the vibrant local bazaars, and savor a sumptuous traditional feast. Prepare for an unforgettable adventure where the past blends seamlessly with the present, and your memories become part of the Sphinx's enduring legacy. Number 2. Khan el-Khalili Bazaar. The bustling Khan el-Khalili Bazaar, an iconic destination in the heart of Egypt's capital city, beckons travelers with its vibrant energy and rich cultural heritage. This legendary marketplace, a true feast for the senses, is a must-visit for those seeking an immersive experience. Beyond its grand scale, the bazaar reveals a treasure trove of delights, where stalls brim with exotic spices, intricate souvenirs, dazzling jewelry, and handcrafted wonders. Step into a world of sensory overload where the past and present intertwine. Discover the allure of ancient coffee houses like the legendary El Fishawi Cafe, with a history spanning over 2 centuries. Number 1. Cairo Citadel. Built in 1176, the Cairo Citadel stands as a colossal testament to history, proudly claiming the title of the world's largest medieval fortress. This majestic stone stronghold has witnessed the ebb and flow of medieval warfare, and now invites visitors to delve into its storied past. Within its mighty walls, 4 magnificent mosques beckon: the awe-inspiring Alabaster Mosque, also known as the Mosque of Muhammad Ali, the venerable Al-Nasir Muhammad Mosque from the 14th century, the elegant Ottoman-style Mosque of Suleiman Pasha, and the hidden gem, the Mosque of Al-Azab. Alongside these architectural wonders, the Citadel houses captivating institutions like the Police Museum and National Military Museum, drawing visitors like moths to a flame. For an unforgettable journey through time, opt for a guided tour led by a local historian, whose words will weave a mesmerizing tapestry of the Citadel's cultural and historical significance. Brace yourself for an extraordinary adventure within the fortress's formidable embrace. That's all for this video. Hope to see you on our next Middle East adventure. Until then, take care. Thanks for watching.